Maayong hapon niya bay. So, ang date karon is July 15 and I've said to myself nga kanang maghisigi ko mga vlog, maghimo ko mga video for July, like daily vlogs, mag-try ko exercise. And it's the 15th of July and wala kay na buhat because it's very cold. I'm still trying to get my mental health back. Kanang murag medyo stress ug unsa and I have uni coming. So tugnaw gid siya bay. Pero di gid ingon nga tugnaw nga cold, pero kanang tugnaw lang ba kanang igawas di mga tugnaw. Wala may ice, wala kuan puro tugnaw. Kanang normal kay tanaw ng gawas ba. So, muna siya akong dilemma karon because nag-promise ko sa akong self and maybe to you guys but maybe to myself na mag-make og more vlogs, mag-make og more videos, mag-make og more stuff, more content just for fun. And it's not a lot. But the thing is, what's happened is that muna siya, wala na ako mabuhat and stuck here at home doing some backlogs. So, nasa ko yung mga backlogs sa photography. I just did shoot an event yesterday which I need to edit. So, ang akong vlogging video shits na delay. And most likely, ang uban na I'm out of date. Di na siya relevant. So, it's gonna end up my hard drive, my own diary. But either way, I'm still gonna upload old videos that I've made, although past na siya project throwback. Pero muna siya bay. So yeah, just want to tell you lately that it's been tough. It's not easy making YouTube. Sa pagsatira. Kada mga videos nga rin. And then, mo na siya, kanang need gini mo ang kanang kuan time. So, lately, magamata ko mga alas 12, kay duwi ko matugabi mag-edit. Igabot na kong mata na ko alas 12. Half sa day hurot na. So, wala na nindot na light. Actually, today's around 4:22. I need to go out, pero it's late. So, yeah, it sucks. Pero, that's it. I need to do something. I need to take control of my life and take control of everything. And I just need to do a lot of things. But other than that, I just want to say hi to you guys and yeah, how you going? Pero as of now, yeah, mura na siya. And nanambok kong mayusod lately, like nanambok ko kay I like exercise too now, but hopefully everything will be back rocking. I've had no gigs lately, pero may ako nasa balay and we're doing other stuff like packing up the bags for Laura. Also, I'll have my first after the financial year. Financial year is till June. So, karon new financial year sa namon diri sa Australia. So, for this financial year, I'll be having my first. I had my first gig yesterday, pero I'll have my first wedding next week. So, hopefully, di na ko promise kay maka video kung anything, pero we'll see. Just also testing out this thing for my camera. It's an FX3. Yeah, kanang nag-update siya na siya Cine AI. So lain sa check mga settings. So gotta know it because I will be using this to shoot weddings. And if this is gonna be like weird stuffs, weird things, then it's gonna be weird. But muna siya, try lang ko kanang check and see if it's good, if it's not, and muna siya. Na okay bang color? Log ni siya niya 4K 25 frames, but being technical and everything else. But other than that, nangusta lang ko niyo ba and hopefully you're fine out there. Kita akong labad as likoda. Kaulo. Hopefully you're fine out there. A bit fine here, just a bit struggling, but should be fine. It's not bad. It's not worse because I know people na mga tao na sa worst conditions or like worst scenario. But either way, I'm just gonna upload old videos and try to make new ones. I'll try. I keep on trying. And to all you who just came into the vlog today, in English kay ko no, dapat Bisaya pero di. So to all of you who came to the vlog today, kanang check out lang later. Maybe we'll be back on track, but I'm just saying in reality, I'm not in a good position to do vlogs. I'm a bit lazy, tired, and stressed out. Pero hopefully I'll be back. We'll see. And pasensya na if nag-expect mo nga more on Bisaya at saka nang bay, kumusta ba? Bisaya gigay ko nga rin. Di mag-English ko gamay kay diba sa Pinas may English nito sa gamay. Ano ba? Pero Bisaya gamay pero nambuko sa Australia na used to ko sa English. Di sa ingon nga di na ko mga Bisaya pero kuan lang kanang para di madaot sa dampi ka sa vlog na ako. Damo ko English nga vlog pero sige Bisaya nga rin. Di na ako kumamo English nga to. So ako na lang gisagol nga rin kay makasabot naman sa mag English, di ba? Pero mura nga to lang ang main point aning whole Bisaya Bay is not really nga Bisaya ra gyud ang isulti. It means na Bisaya ko. Ako Bisaya. Kamo ako Bisaya, magbisaya ako. Pwede sa kumang English, but Bisaya ko nga tao. Eh, nagblabber lang ko ba kay I'm trying to put more content for this upload. I'm just gonna have this single clip, which has gone 5 minutes already, so I need stop na ta. Anyway, take care, guys, and I hope to see you more and more and more. And if you think this is just a waste of time, I'm so sorry. You can check other vlogs, but if you wala na. Hopefully we'll get more videos, please. Just follow me and we'll see what we do in the future. I'm gonna upload drone shots here, just that para masagod-sagol lang gamay, but this is also uploaded to my other what you call this other channels. It's fine. Parang kuan lang. Either way, take care, guys. Ilan na ako? 6 minutes na.